Hi, I'm Sarah Valdez, STEM and School Educator at the Edwards Aquifer Authority, and this is Matthew.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a little experiment with using a supersaturated solution.
What's a supersaturated solution?
A supersaturated solution is when there's more of the mineral or dissolved solid in the solution than it can hold. All right. Do you know what a stalactite and a stalagmite is?
Yes.
What is it?
A stalactite and stalagmites are cave formations.
That's right. All right. Well, do you know how stalactites and stalagmites are formed?
Yes.
Water carries minerals underground in solution, and it deposits them as it goes. It takes like thousands or even millions of years to make a cave like this, but we're going to do it in just a few days. And since it's winter, we're going to do them in the shape of a snowflake. Ready?
Yes.
All right.
We are so ready.
So first you take a pipe cleaner, and we're going to cut it into 3 pieces to make a snowflake. All right, so you take your 3 pieces and you twist them around to make a snowflake. You want to spread that out?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take a little piece of string so we can hang our snowflake. Got it? All right, let's tie this little guy. And we're going to hang it on a pencil. So it's just about there. You want to pour the water in there for me, please?
Mm-hmm.
That should be enough. All right. So we've got our snowflake until it hangs right there. You want it to hang just under the water and where it's not touching the sides of the glass or the bottom of the glass either.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're not ready for that though. First we need to add our solution. So you bring this water to a boil. All right, and once it's boiling, then you can add your borax solution. So this is borax, and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons per cup.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do that?
1, 2, 3.
All right. Why don't you add another 3? It's not really an exact science. It's not really an exact recipe. So if you want to add a little bit more just to be on the safe side, you can do that too. You can add some more. Okay, keep going.
This should be good.
You think that's good?
Yes.
All right. If you think that's good enough, go ahead and stir it up. Stir it up so it all dissolves in there. All right, that borax is a mineral. It's a salt. And it's going to deposit as it lands onto our snowflake here. All right, let me tie that on the pencil. Let's see if it fits. There you go. And as it starts to get minerals on it, it should weigh it down a little bit as it gets heavier and heavier. Mm-hmm. All right, so then you just let that sit for a couple of days, and if you check it after a few hours or maybe in the morning when you get up, it should be all crystallized.
Mm-hmm. And that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Now this is what you're gonna get when you're done.
Pretty crystallized snowflakes. Happy holidays from us at the Edwards Aquifer Authority.